Okay, it is currently 34 degrees, and I am driving to pick up a friend who went to Fort Collins without checking the weather. he got caught on this little storm that we're having. I got my helmet, my jacket, and my gloves, and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go meet him at the Love's gas station, and yeah, I'm gonna ride the bike until we get it back to base, so it'll be safe, no one steals it. So what happened, Brent?
It was all good. It was all good, right? And then I go on the highway, and then I pass the bridge, and then I see this happen, and it was done. It was done. Not a good time.
There's the ninja.
Jesus Christ. God damn.
It sounds like you're like cold to the bones. I've been there. You're probably not gonna forget this ride.
I'm never gonna forget this. I've been freezing the entire time. There's no heated water in there at all.
Alright. Just follow me, okay? Well, just picking up a friend. I can tell by his uncontrollable shaking that he is pretty close to hypothermia. So, we'll see. I can't believe you made it this far. Yeah, that's pretty good.